Hello and welcome everybody. Built our stock on 28 November. Let's start step by step with easy price prediction. Let's start with this built our stock. Okay, if we wait for 1 day update, this goes to give us different things, and we can go for the trend lines that is going to attach each other for every time that stock has ability here to make an intersection of the trend line, which is going to be located on 17 USD and 54 cents, and this was with a slope line that started from the support of this support, maybe the previous one. Okay, maybe the support that it goes to be about 23 USD and decrease it until it reached 10. So this is going to be the middle process. If you subtracted this value from this value, and we reach it the value of 14, for example, and divide by 7, it goes to give you the subtraction from of this value from this value on PLTR. Hope you benefit from this video.